In this question, which statement describes the direction of an electric field at point? Please watch the video to the end. Okay, here we go. We can use a simulation to visualize electric fields. And we have two charges. The positive charge is the red and the negative charge is the blue. The direction of the electric field, the arrows represent the direction of electric field at the point. They would point away from the positive charges toward the negative charges. Strength of the electric field is the density of the field lines indicate the strength of the electric field. More lines mean a stronger field. So the correct answer for question 25 is C. If there is any positive charges, will be accelerating from the positive to the negative in the same direction of electric field. Do not forget to share and like and subscribe to our channel. See you next video.